I'll show you how to create these adorable lucky letters for St. Patrick's Day. This is the fun, quick, simple, super easy to do tutorial, and I really hope you enjoy it. If you want to see more DIYs like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoy this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. For this project, all you need is your wooden or cardboard letters, copper spray paint, E6000, and of course your pennies. Begin by taking your letters outside and on a protected surface, spray paint them, starting by spray painting the backs first, let those dry completely, and then flip them over and spray paint the fronts. Once they are completely dry, you can take them back inside and begin placing your pennies where you want them. They can be overlapped, they can be staggered, they can be side by side. Whatever your preference is completely fine. Then once they're all positioned, begin adding your E6000 one at a time, and then set them aside to dry. You'll do this exact same thing with all of your letters, and if you wanted to spend a little bit more time on this, you could also apply pennies to the sides, but I think just the fronts are fine. And that is your completed project. This project is super fast and incredibly easy, and I hope you get a chance to try it out. Let me know if you want to see more DIYs like this one, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.